Hello everyone, today is Monday, May the 9th, 2022. We have an iPhone SE locked to H2O, and I thought H2O was AT&T, but I guess I was wrong. This iPhone, it is iPhone SE, it's 15.4.1, and this iPhone is locked to H2O, but I thought it was AT&T, but I guess not. It's locked. The carrier is Pure Talk. Never heard before Pure Talk, but anyway, so customer wants to change to T-Mobile. I'm using the Gevey Pro SIM carrier lock. Description: it shows H2O carrier Pure Talk. Like I said, I thought it was AT&T network. It can be, I don't know, never saw it before. I don't even know Pure Talk exists before until now. So let's begin. First things first, eject my H2O. I'm gonna put my T-Mobile. Just waiting for the connect to my Wi-Fi real quick. Okay, SIM not supported. So this is just a test for the customer. I need to wipe it out again and have the customer put his iCloud account, and then once everything is back out and everything, so I'm gonna do this. But for now, this is for test purposes. So I put in my Gevey Pro, right? Gevey Pro. See, 1 second, let me copy an ICCID that I'm testing it. Okay, and then because there's a lot of people up there that said that my method is not working, but anyway, so put it in, and as you know, ICCID, it's dead, offline. I'm gonna hit dismiss. Gevey Pro, cyber mode auto 1. That what the ICCID comes by default on the, so I'm gonna delete that one, and I'm gonna paste, and I hit send, accept. And now I'm not gonna provide that ICCID, just for customers only, so don't be calling me, texting me. If you are my customer, you're more than welcome to send me a text and your order number, and I be more than happy to send the number, but I need to have your order number. So at this point, I didn't touch anything. I just let the phone do everything by itself. So it seems that it's picking up the signal already. See, T-Mobile at this point, Wi-Fi off. The only thing that I need to change is the network settings. Now it's reading, still on Pure Talk. It's still SIM locked, but it changed to T-Mobile. Let me go back here, general, cellular. I need to change my roaming has to be on my network selection, and we need to turn it off. I don't know if you can see it, but it was on the automatic. I need to turn it off, and from the hot list I'm just gonna select T-Mobile. That's my SIM card, and it's the only one that I see that is working for now. And some people say that it's not stable, and I told many people, don't go by people said, and don't go by what you see on other groups on Facebook. You have to do it yourself and keep it to yourself. You can show the way, but keep it to yourself. So I'm showing you the way. And some people say, oh, if you remove the SIM card or you had to redo everything. If you do the job right, so I remove the SIM card, the SIM tray, put it back. Searching for signal. There you go, T-Mobile. Make a test call real quick.
Thanks for calling. As part of this call, T-Mobile may collect information about you.
T-Mobile, guys. As you can see, LTE is working fine. Let's do a speed test real quick. So it's not bad for LTE. So let's go different. Let's go to Apple Store. Okay, so that is working. Everything seems to be working. Let's go back here to settings, cellular, just to make sure that my network selection it's turned off. And you can see it, but it's off. And also some people say that it's not stable, that if you take the SIM card off, you had to redo everything. You turn it off, you had to redo everything. So I'm showing you everything that it's. I just turn it off, back on. And this phone is from H2O. And like I said, I thought it was H2O was part of AT&T, but it shows us a Pure Talk. And I'm assuming Pure Talk is part of AT&T. So if you have an AT&T iPhone, H2O, see, picking up the signal. Let me turn off my Wi-Fi. I don't need Wi-Fi because LTE.
Thanks for calling T-Mobile customer service.
T-Mobile. Okay, so it's working. Gevey Pro, Cyber Mode. Bye.